Alright, down here at the busted knuckle, putting the risers on. Handlebar risers. Well, they are 2 pieces of black aluminum. Come through. Allen wrench screws them in. Set your handlebars the way you want them. And tighten them up with the Allen wrenches. I'm all excited about this. Probably should have showed you more, but only got one hand.
That's all. Last night you kept going by me. Everything's just falling into place.
I gotta flip this one around. I got it backwards. From my finger. There it is.
I ain't kidding you, mentioned my last name.
Alright, be back. Alrighty. This is going to be the finishing vid of the risers. You can see I got them, I got the risers installed. They're the black ones. A little bit of gap. That's the way it's supposed to be. Don't want to crack those. Main thing is when you install, when you change your handlebar adjustment forward and back, you need to make sure of this. Want to make sure you get clearance right there so it doesn't hit your front of your windshield, the back of your windshield. That's the right turn. Here's the left turn. So it goes back and forth to full stops. No problems. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. And yeah, stay tuned. We're going to replace that seat cover because the new ones came today. That's going to be a box opening ceremony as usual. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.